Hello guys. So there was a big light that got exploded. I don't know where is it, but it was somewhere there. Like I don't remember where is it. So yeah, that's a confusing part. But it was like somewhere there and it exploded. But I don't see it anywhere. I'm trying to look very closely, and I think it's that light, the one I'm pointing at. I think that's the light that exploded because it made a huge sound and the light was like this big and it touched all the way to the sky. I don't think nobody saw it, but it was like so freaky and a lot of people were scared. Some cars alarm was on. It was a lot of disasters, so I don't really know what really happened.